Hello there, this is CJ Soriel, and for today's recipe, we will be making a salmon steaks with black bean sauce. And it's really easy to make, so let's get into it. So let's mix some of our ingredients first. So we have 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix everything up, and then after that, we're going to prepare our salmon steak. Then sprinkle and cover the salmon steaks with the cornstarch mixture that we made earlier. Heat up some oil and fry the salmon steak until it's golden brown. Now we're gonna make our black bean sauce with caramelized onions. I'm going to use another pan and we're gonna heat up some oil. Add 1 head of minced garlic. Cook and toast the garlic until it's lightly brown. Just like that. And then after that, you can add your onion rings. Then I'm gonna add 2/3 cup of dark soy sauce. Then I'm gonna add some liquid seasoning. So we need some lemon juice. I'm gonna be using just a half of the lemon. For our black beans, I'm gonna be using Tempo salted black beans. Just make sure that you soak the black beans at least 30 minutes before adding it because it's a bit salty. Then I added 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. So in a small bowl, mix together cornstarch and water. Then mix the slurry into the pan so we could have a thicker sauce. You can add more sauce if you want to. Guys, this is my favorite garlic chili. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic chili, but it's totally optional. If you don't like it spicy, you can leave it. It doesn't really make the dish spicy, but it adds flavor. Once salmon steak is ready, just take it out from the pan and set aside. By the way, don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Thank you. So when you're tired of having just a plain fried fish, you should try this recipe, guys. 100% you're gonna love this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye for now.